Welcome back to our channel, Ras and Maze. You have Rasmi here today. My husband is at work right now, and so from our previous video, you guys know that we already moved down to Jacksonville, Florida, and I'm still home because I don't have a job yet. But that's not something that is being worried about right now. There's a reason why. And today, I'm going to be making some dinner for me and my husband. So I'm going to be making some his favorite beans and fried plantain. So I thought I should have you guys along with me while we wait for him to get back home. And for those of you who are new to our channel, thank you for subscribing. Those of you who are watching this video for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also turn your notification on so you'll be notified when we post a new video. And thanks so much for your support. So guys, we're going to start with this cooking, and I'll show you guys what I use in making my beans. Okay, I have my blender right here. I'm about to show you guys what I'm going to blend. So I have 3 tomatoes, 1 red pepper, 1 green pepper, this size of onions, and 1 yellow pepper, which is very spicy. I don't know if I'm saying it right. So I'm just going to clean this and blend it off. So I'll start by blending my tomatoes, however you call it. It's ready. So I make my black beans with ground beef. What I'm going to do is I'll let this kind of get ready, and I'll fry it a little bit, and I'll put my ground beef in it, so I'll fry it together. Those are the only 2 things that I'll fry. But whenever I put the green pepper and the red pepper, onions, and just all the peppers and onions and other spices, I will not fry them. So let's wait for this to get ready. See, and I will just go ahead and show you guys all the spices I'll be using. This is parsley, and this is just you can season meat with this, poultry and fish. It's called Saison Tropical. So I'm going to season my beef with it. And just black pepper, salt, and this is Maggi. Some people call it Maggi, some people call it Maggi cube. Can you see that? I already throw the bag that I got it in, so I can't show you guys the bag. But here is our beans. It's still boiling. Let's see if it's ready. I boiled my beans in a crock pot, guys. You could use gas if you want to, but I have this, so our beans is ready. I'm just going to cut this off. Let it sit there to when I need the beans. But while I'm waiting for that to get ready, I'm going to go ahead and blend everything. One thing I forgot to bring out is garlic, which is this all I have left. So I'm going to use all of this. So let's go ahead and finish blending the rest of the stuff we need to blend now. Right. I'll be back, guys. Let me use the restroom. Let me wash my hands for you guys to see before you guys think I did not wash my hair. I need to have the fan on. I know it's going to be really loud in the video, but there was something I could do. I'll just go ahead and rinse this out. So guys, this is when I put like all my spices, little spices that I want to put in, which I will start with this seasoning. I'm adding one more. That's how much I'm going to put in it. So now I'm going to take our beans out and just drain it out. I'll put this back and clean it out later. I'll close this and let's say we're coming back in, I'll say in 10 minutes to check what it looks like. But yeah, in 10 minutes I'm going to open this and check. So guys, I think it's time for us to. So guys, I think it's time for us to put our beans in. Turn the heat down to medium. So I'll see you guys when everything is done. That's all we have. So guys, for the plantain, I'm not going to fry it right now. I'm just going to fry it whenever we're about to eat. And it's almost time. My husband will be home maybe in 10 or 15 minutes, and I'll make some plantain and we'll eat. Let's wait for him to get home so we can end this video. Husband is home, guys. There he is. There he is. Look at him. Hey baby. I was recording. Yeah, I was cooking and I recorded, but I was waiting for you to come, so, huh? You will see. What do you think I meant? Huh? Alright, come on in. I want us to end the video together. I have my thing on today. Good.
That's how you want your stomach in.
Well, like. Let me see if they can see you. Yeah, a little bit. Let me just put it down so they can truly see you. Boom, there you are. Like, oh my gosh. Shining like a star. I was sitting out there and some girls, I don't know if they're moving in or out, I don't know. They admired my hair, told me. She was like, look at her, she looks so cute. Alright guys, my husband is home now. I'm not more by myself. My best friend is back. So, are you tired?
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
Of course he is. He's not talking, he's just sitting and chewing his gum. I'm going to let him rest, and we're ending this video. You guys should like, comment down below on what videos you guys want to see, because right now we are ready to give you guys everything you guys want to see, and give you guys what we want you guys to see.
You guys have to let me get used to this. I'm working 11-hour days, going to the gym, recording stuff, so it's not that bad. I did it before, but the whole we just moved down here, so I'm still exhausted from just the move itself. You know, I'm not acclimated to the city yet. I'm using GPS and I go everywhere, so I'm getting lost.
You guys, I just discovered that maybe I'm cut from the video. Yesterday he got lost because he was trying to figure out how to get home. But yesterday I stayed home and I was waiting for him on the couch and I fell asleep. And I woke up and it was almost like to 5.
No, it was like 4:30.
And he was not home yet. And I'm like, he should have been home by now. And I called him and he's figuring, he said he was almost home, but he missed like the exit or whatever.
I missed 2 exits.
You missed it today again?
for some reason it takes me home a different way than it brings me to work, and it's irritating me. So I'm trying to memorize which way I go
When
to
you
work
go in the morning,
so I can come home that
the
way.
same way. Oh,
Because
okay.
when I go to work, I use all interstate.
Mm-hmm.
I use 295.
Where you coming back? It takes you like.
It takes me down like regular streets, and I'm like
Oh.
hitting red lights, taking
Yeah.
turns. I'm like, I don't want to do this. Today I had to go like 3 miles before I got to make a turn to go to a turn.
But anyways, as we said, do the good things that you always do. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Peace.
Peace out, y'all. Grab my beer.
I'm sorry. Did I grab your heart?
Yeah, you pulled my head with it.